Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL speaker to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want your sound output to come from your JBL speaker from your Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first what we're going to do is that we're going to grab our remote and then click on the home icon, which is this button right over here. And then navigate to where it says settings. So click on settings. And then here you're going to click on sound and then click on sound output. So over here you're going to scroll down to where it says Bluetooth speaker list. And then now your Samsung Smart TV is going to search for a Bluetooth speaker. So at this point you want to go ahead and power on your JBL speaker. And then you want to click the pairing icon, okay? So you want to click the pairing icon, which is this button right here. And then you want to click the Bluetooth icon, which is the icon that looks like a Bluetooth, and hold it down. So you'll hear your JBL speaker to go in pairing mode, and you can see that it's blinking blue. Right now on my Samsung Smart TV, it has found my JBL speaker, which is this one here. So once it's blinking blue, you'll see that your JBL speaker is now in pairing mode. So click on your JBL speaker and then click on pair and connect. So now you'll hear a sound come from your JBL speaker that indicates it's been connected to a Bluetooth device. And you could also see the confirmation that your JBL speaker has been connected to your Samsung speaker. So click on OK. And then once you go back, you can see that your JBL speaker now appears as one of these sound outputs. You want to make sure that you click on that, and there you have it. Now your JBL speaker is connected as the sound output. So you can switch between different sound outputs, guys, but that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your JBL speaker to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.